Today's in-car displays are getting smarter and more immersive, but traditional HUD systems still face limitations, like bulky designs and narrow viewing angles, that make it hard to deliver full panoramic visuals. To tackle this, we've developed a transparent P-HUD technology that combines anti-diffraction optical patterns with multilayer microstructures to project clear images directly onto the car's windshield. No matter the viewing angle, the visuals stay bright and sharp. We've also optimized the system to minimize reflections, so the display remains clean and unobtrusive. What's more, this technology is compatible with existing panel manufacturing processes, making it ready for large-scale production. It's ideal for applications like windshield displays, smart navigation, and even AR-based interactive systems, paving the way for the next generation of automotive display technology.